Imachine offers high-quality second-hand crawler cranes, suitable for demanding construction sites. Each piece of equipment undergoes the following inspections: structural integrity, condition of the boom and hydraulic system, engine performance. Our advantages: 16 years of industry experience with a professional team, support for third-party inspection, agency verification, 48-hour after-sales response mechanism, trusted by over 400 clients in Europe, Asia, and Africa, including numerous large contractors. We support online or on-site inspections. Contact us now for a free consultation.